Hi and welcome to Moto Mastery Hub. Today I'm assembling the rear axle of this 2007 Peugeot Satelis. As you see, it's a little bit stripped. The rear axle is looking this way. It's a little bit dirty and all the parts are here on the floor. Also the new gasket and the CVT. The CVT is fine, but it took me a lot of effort to get it off because actually you can only take it off with impact wrench, which I have rented from my local tool rent. So now I'm cleaning all this mess up, and then we are putting back these sprockets. So to clean it properly, you should take out these liners and put somewhere safe, because you will need them later on. I'm using a knife to scratch off these old gaskets leftovers, because the gasket didn't came off in one piece. So you have to scratch it all off from here and from the cover, then clean it with some brake cleaner. I will use a brake cleaner for this job, and then I'm putting back in the sprocket. So after cleaning with the blade from a paper knife, it looks something like this, and the axle cover didn't have any gasket leftovers on it. So now we can clean all these parts and put them back together. So guys, the first to go in is the counter shaft, which has washers both sides, and it goes in with the bigger sprocket first. The next one is the final shaft on which the wheel sits. It goes in like this, just slide it in. Don't forget the washers. This here, and now put the sliders in, the cover sliders, one here and one here. And now it is time for the new gasket. And it goes in just like this, and the final touch is the cover. So the cover goes in. So and now you can put in the bolts. The bolts is cleaned, and I will use a little bit of thread lock, because the problem with this was that these bolts came loose and all the oil came out. So the original torque is 10 Newton meters. So putting just a little bit of the thread lock, to clean it fast. So I'm cleaning the bolt with the brake cleaner. Then I'm putting a little of thread lock, and now I'm gonna tighten that down. It's a 5 mil.
Let's clean this off.
So now I'm taking my torque wrench. So now let's torque these bolts. The original torquing value is 10 Newton meters, but I will be using the smallest that I have on my wrench, and it is 30, which is, it should be fine. I hope it should be fine to have no, it's not fine at all. So it's much too much. The bolts are torqued somewhere in between 10 and 30 Newton meters. I guess 20 maybe. So guys, this is it. It's assembled. Now I have to put oil in here. As you see, this plug is coming out, and here you have to pour it in 120 grams of axle oil, 80W90. I'm having here some scooter gear oil, and that's it. So stay tuned. The next videos will be about me washing this engine, which is actually it's an Italian engine from Aprilia Leonardo from 1996. This came also on a Peugeot Eliseo from 2001. It was carburetor feed. This one is with injection, and also this is, I think this one came on the second Satelis, which was produced till 2012, something like that. So guys, the plug is back in, the oil is in. $150 ml. You need 120 for this. Everything is turning as it should. Now only what's left is to put it all back together wash the engine, and go for a ride. So if you wanna see that, then wait for my next videos.